Have you ever wondered why you work all day but still feel like nothing gets done? Or the harder you try to be productive, the more exhausted you become? In this video, we'll uncover 5 common reasons why productivity fails, and more importantly, how to fix them. Think of productivity as a map. When you understand why you fail, you can finally find the right path. Reason 1. Multitasking. We believe multitasking makes us faster. In reality, every time you switch tasks, your brain takes up to 20 minutes to refocus. This is called the switching cost. The result? Many tasks started, none completed. Multitasking is a lie. You can do 2 things at once, but you can't focus effectively on 2 things at once. Gary Keller, the one thing. You're writing an important report, but every 10 minutes you check your email or phone. At the end of the day, the report is still unfinished, yet you feel exhausted. A Stanford study found that heavy multitaskers actually have weaker focus and memory compared to single taskers. Use the Pomodoro Method. 25 minutes of deep focus. 5 minutes break. Use the Pomodoro mode immediately on the phone we are using. Turn off all notifications before you start. Reason 2. Confusing urgent versus important. Many people get trapped in urgent but meaningless tasks. Emails, small chats, endless notifications, while ignoring important goals like learning new skills or building strategy. Micro example. An office worker spends the whole morning replying to emails but forgets that a big presentation is due in the afternoon. Result? Small tasks done, but the major deadline fails. Bill Gates once said he spends more time thinking than being busy, because long-term strategy is what truly matters. Action step. Write down your 3 MITS, most important tasks, every morning. Apply the Eisenhower Matrix, important and urgent. Do it now. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. Urgent but not important. Delegate. Neither. Eliminate. Reason 3. No system and no review. A long to-do list without a system only creates stress. Productivity often fails because there's no big picture view. Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. David Allen, Getting Things Done. Build a simple system. Spend 5 minutes at the end of each day reviewing and planning for tomorrow. Reason 4. Overworking. We assume working more hours equals more productivity, but energy is limited. Beyond a certain point, extra hours only lead to mistakes and lower output. Example: a student pulls an all-nighter before an exam. The next morning, their brain goes blank, even forgetting simple formulas. CEOs like Jeff Bezos and Arianna Huffington stress that sleep is non-negotiable for good decision-making. Action step. Set a work cutoff time, e.g., no work after 10 p.m. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every 90 minutes of work. Prioritize deep work blocks, 2 to 3 hours of fully focused effort. Reason 5. Chasing tools instead of principles. Many people try every productivity app notion, Trello, calendars, but still fail. Why? Because tools only work when you have solid principles. Without habits, every tool is useless. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. James Clear, Atomic Habits. Solutions: stick to one tool you're comfortable with. The real key is consistent principles. In summary, productivity doesn't fail because you're lazy. It fails because of 5 traps. Number 1, multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. Number 2, confusing urgent with important. Write your 3 MITs and use the Eisenhower Matrix. Number 3, no system or review. Spend just 5 minutes each night planning tomorrow. Number 4, overworking. Take breaks and set a cutoff time. And number 5, chasing tools instead of principles. Stick to one tool and rely on strong habits. Fix even one of these and you'll start working smarter, not harder. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more productivity hacks and high-value tips. And tell me, out of these 5 reasons, which one holds you back the most? Share in the comments below.